Today I'm going to show you how to make a perspective text behind a person using Canva. Go to Canva and after opening new project, go to uploads, images, and after uploading your image, drag it to the design. Let's increase the size to fit the page, add page, and change the color to black and go to text and type your text. Change the font to Anton and increase the size of the text. Go to share, download as PNG with transparent background and select just the second page. And after downloading this image, just delete this page, keep just the first one, go to apps and type transform image and choose this app, choose file and choose the image that we download and you can adjust this text as you want. You can control the zoom and after finishing your editing, click add to design. And if you are not suitable for you, just delete and adjust again. Let's increase the size and place it exactly with the line of the root. Go to layer, show layers, and duplicate this image, make it in the top, and click on this one, click remove background, and place it in the middle. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.